In this video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning glow effect in Canva. First of all, upload your photo in Canva. Once upload done, drag your photo into the Canva editor, remove the background, click on remove BG, then click on edit at the top toolbar. Under effects, here is shadow, click on shadow. Now click on outline, change the size value to 4 or 5, change the color to white, then download this image, click on share, then click on download. File type, choose PNG, click on this transparent background and then download. Upload your image again in Canva. I will delete this one. Drag your image into the timeline. First of all, I will change the background color of the design. Click on the design. At the top toolbar, here is background color. Click on this color palette. I will select gradient color. Then I will adjust the size of image. Now again select the image and click on edits at the top toolbar. Click on shadow. This time we will use glow effect. Click on glow. First of all, I will change the color to white, increase size value little bit. Then I will adjust the image size. That's how we can create stunning glow effect in Canva. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this.